Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. I'm going to be talking about resistor color codes. And a resistor color code is actually very necessary to find the value of a resistor. Resistors are used to regulate current in your circuit, preventing anything from getting fused, so that's why it's very necessary. For beginners, it might be very overwhelming, since they might not understand the meaning of these resistor color codes that are found in every single resistor, which can be hard for them, so they prefer to use digital multimeter. But in this video, it'll be basic steps on how you can find the value of your own resistor without digital multimeter. We go into the next slide here. So what does each color mean for the resistor? Well, these leads, it doesn't matter what orientation you put your resistor in your circuit, current is still going to be passing through and your resistor is going to be regulating your current. So in this case, the far left value, which in this case is brown, is our first number. And our second number is the one next to our multiplier. Right here, the multiplier is red. There's certain colors here which are the multiplier. The second one in this case is black, and either your resistor has gold or silver. It's going to be our tolerance. This one is silver in this case, so that's going to be our tolerance level. This here in the bottom is the value of our brown one, and the brown one in this case is 1. The black value is 0. Red is triple zeros. So if you put all these numbers together, it's going to give us the total resistance value of our resistor, which in this case is 1k ohm. The tolerance level on this resistor is silver, and silver is always going to have a plus or minus 10% tolerance level. And in the next slide, we're going to be talking about tolerance levels. So how is tolerance going to help us find the value of a resistor? This silver band indicates plus minus 10%. If we find 10% of the total value of the resistance, which is 1000 for this resistor, it is going to give us 100 ohms. And to be within tolerance, there is a minimum and a maximum range of values that this resistor can have. To be within tolerance, the resistance levels needs to be above 900 ohms. And to do this, we simply just subtracted 100 to our 1000, which was the value of 10% of 1000. And if we want to find our maximum, it has to be at least below 1100 ohms to be within tolerance. So here's a color code table if you guys are having a resistor and want to figure out its resistance value. Here's a code indicating what every single color's value is, and their tolerance levels too. Gold has a plus minus 5%. And yeah, very simple, very easy to find the resistance values. You can easily master this simply by just looking at the resistor. You're going to be able to find its resistance value. Here is all the elements implemented in one, and so you guys can easily visualize this a lot further. Thank you guys for watching this video. I appreciate it a lot if you guys leave a like and subscribe. I'll keep uploading more videos, probably just put more examples here. But for now, I'll be talking about capacitors and stuff like that, so it'll be very interesting. See you guys next time.